Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to set up Surfshark VPN for your ASUS router, then this video is for you. First, you have to go to the surfshark.com. So when you are on their official website, then you can find my account here. So simply click on my account and log into your account. So you can use your account credential or you can use your Google account to log into your account. So once you are on account, if you have the premium version, then you will be able to download their VPN file here that you can set up to your ASUS router. Right now I don't have the subscription, but it will look like this, where you can simply find this VPN with this arrow icon here. Simply click on it and you can find the manual setup and dedicated IP. So you can simply click on manual setup, where you can find the router. Now simply click on router and you can find all the files that you can download and set up to your router. So from here you can find location, select location, and you can find different type of location from here. So you can find a download, this arrow button here. This button will help you to download the file, so you can simply download it. After download that, you have to go to the ASUS admin router admin login page. So you can simply search for ASUS router login and you can find the page from here. So when you have to enter the username and the password of your ASUS router. So once you then simply click on sign in. So once you are done, you can find this type of interface, where at the left side in this navigation section you can find a VPN here. After this IPv6, you can find the VPN. Simply click on VPN. So once you have clicked on VPN, you can find the VPN server and VPN client. So simply go to the VPN client tab, and from here you can see there is no data here. So you have to simply click on add profile, where you will be able to find this tab here. This tab will appear, and from here simply click on open VPN. So when you are on open VPN, you have to add description. That's when you can name it or label it, so you can actually identify this VPN, where it's come from and why you are using. So you can add the description about the VPN. Now you have to add the username, so username and password of your Surfshark VPN. So after adding this, it is actually optional. Now most important thing is you have to upload OVPN file that you have downloaded from the this here in this section here, from this router VPN file. Once you have downloaded it or done, then you have to simply click on upload and upload the file. So when you have uploaded, simply click on choose file and you have to upload the file and simply click on upload. When it's done, then simply click on OK. After you can find this type of interface, where you can find this uploaded file. Then simply click on this box here and simply click on OK, and it will just appear in this list. Now you can find the activate button here. Simply click on activate button. So once you have clicked on activate button, then you will be able to connect this VPN, the Surfshark VPN, with your ASUS router. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.